We're starting off this Tuesday very cold, but at least the sun is out and we do have some improving conditions as our Arctic air mass slowly shifts off to our east. We're expecting a high of 33 out at the airport. We started off this morning though at 13 degrees below zero, nearing that record low of -19 set back in 1930. Typically this time of the year we average highs in the mid-40s with overnight lows in the upper teens, and we will get back there for tomorrow with highs expected to rebound. But for this morning, expect some very chilly conditions, by noon getting to 28 degrees, and we are finally expecting highs just at or slightly above freezing. From downtown Denver up through Boulder, mid to upper 30s, Parker and Castle Rock, another chilly but blustery day into the mountains. High winds expected from Kremling into Boulder and Frisco later on today. Now, as you can see from our Front Range futurecast, mostly clear skies, gusty winds at times out east as well. And then later on tonight, it won't be quite as cold. Temperatures will still fall well below freezing with teens and 20s early on, some single-digit lows up north near Greeley. It's all ahead of our next front. It's set to bring in more mountain snow for tomorrow. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings in place for portions of our northern and central high country. Tomorrow in Denver, increasing cloud coverage, but it will be milder. Dry conditions with highs in the low to mid-40s, most of that moisture off to our west. Next chance for seeing any snowfall arrive to the Front Range and Eastern Plains will mainly be on Thursday. Continued snow into Colorado's high country to kick off the day on Thursday, and you can see some pretty significant snow totals expected up near Rocky Mountain National Park and Keystone.